Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see a printer error. Let us see what is that one. Now just we open all these settings. You can see now Canon printer is there. We'll give test page just to check what is the error. I had given printer test. You can see one pop-up error is showing below and it's coming like this. The paper eruption preventive function is enabled on the custom setting of inkjet printer assistant tool. If you continue printing without changing the setting, the printer quality or print speed may affected. To print without changing the setting, click OK. So this is the error. So let us see how to solve this error. Okay. So now you have to open the Google and type inkjet printer assistant tool. After typing like this, you can click the first option, canon. While you select the first option, just scroll down. The setup file will be below. You have to select the product before that. It's our product is I have to scroll it down. There will be all model of printer. It will be available here. Now we are going to select it's Pixima G. Where is it? Yeah, it's over here G3470. This is our printer model. While you select the printer model, you can see the setup file be here to download. You can just select the option for download, and from here also select this option and it will be downloaded automatically. Just double click on it. The file will be extracting. You have to wait till the extraction is completed. Just we will minimize the screen and you can see the setup file just to run. If you want to change the language, you can change, and the location Europe, it's in Middle East. So after that we can select the option next and you can keep it like an others. It's better, and you can give yes for the installation. You have to wait little time to complete the installation. It's showing it create a shortcut on the desktop. If you want, you can keep it, otherwise just we can remove it. Now we have to see whether the error has been solved or not. For that we will give one more time print test page. The pop-up has been came in the same taskbar and still the error is exist. So the next is step 2. This is continuous. Okay, if inkjet tool is not there, we have to install. If there is, we can directly go to the option 2. So after connecting the printer cable, just we have to check whether the test page is coming. If that cancel, if you okay with that, you can give continue. The print will be coming, but the error message each time it will be coming. So now we will select the printer preference, and after that maintenance option, you can select maintenance and reference. You have to click this. In this directly you can come to the custom setting. In the custom setting, you can see prevents paper eruption. Just remove that one, remove the tick mark and give OK and apply. After that, just we will minimize all those screens. This screen is showing like a bigger. The minimize option is not coming, so just we will minimize it directly. Now we will give the test page and see this pop-up, it's appearing, but the error message it won't appear. You can see here now it's printing. I will show you. You can see the print, the page is appeared, and if you click there, there will not be error message. This error message is coming for changing that head. So this is how to solve this issue. It's a very easy method. If you like the video, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. See you.